In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you cannot follow people on Instagram. So first off, you want to know that spamming on Instagram will not allow you to follow. So if you were spamming follows, like following 100 people or something, Instagram will just prevent you from doing so. So you might want to calm down on spam follow. You might want to just wait a day or two for this error to stop, and that's it. And the other solution is, if you already have Instagram follows, if you already have 7,500 follows on Instagram, then Instagram won't allow you to follow more people. So if you were following 7,500 people, then you will have to unfollow some people to be able to follow. And if that wasn't the case, you weren't following 7,500, then you might want to see if it's just an Instagram glitch or if Instagram needs an update. So go out of Instagram, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, see if Instagram needs updating. If it needs, it should show here. But if it doesn't need updating and you're still facing this issue, then you might want to try to uninstall and reinstall Instagram, and hopefully this should fix your issue. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.